Hi friends, now we are going to talk about another topic is classifications of multi-stage amplifiers. So just previous class we explained that why do you prefer multi-stage amplifiers. So what type of classifications we have for multi-stage amplifier? That is purely based on output signal. Based on the output signal we can classify it as different multi-stage amplifiers. One is voltage amplifier. Voltage amplifier is purely based on output signal, and another one is current amplifier. And third one based on voltage and current we can implement it in power amplifier. Okay, that is according to output signal. And next one is that is based on the frequency range operation. That is frequency range. So in the entire communication there are different types of frequency ranges, medium frequency, low frequency, high frequency, like that. So that it can be represented as here, if you have very low value, that is nothing but DC level. If you have that low frequency in terms of kilohertz, that is nothing but audio frequency. Widely we prefer that frequency range is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. And the third one is radio frequency. That radio frequency range is widely we prefer greater than megahertz. Okay, so that is purely based on frequency. Okay, that is the frequency range. Frequency units are hertz. Next one is based on the biasing of the input signal. Biasing the input signal. Biasing of the input signal. So there are different types of biasing. One is small signal. Generally, small signal hybrid model, like that. Small signal. Another one is large signal. Okay. What is meant by small signal? Small signal is nothing but at output, if you get only low fluctuations, that is. But what is meant by large signal? At output, if you get high fluctuations, like that. So based on that, we can segregate it as both small and large. That is purely based on biasing. And another one is, this is actual 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one is based on the number of stages. Number of stages are widely we are considering as, so that is based on the number of stages. One is single stages. Single stage is nothing but entire amplification we have to use only one device, one type of transistor. The multi-stage is nothing but more than one stages. That is purely based on number of stages. Coupling schemes is in between two stages we have to use different types of circuits. One is RC coupled, transformer coupled, and LC coupled, inductor and capacitor, and direct coupled. So there are different types of coupling schemes. Okay. Next one is, the sixth one is mode of operation. That is, there are different types of amplifiers. That is class A, okay, class B, class AB, and class C. There are different types of amplifiers under mode of operation. And seventh one is, that is bandwidth, purely based on bandwidth. Okay, so this bandwidth can be segregated as two types. One is narrow bandwidth, that the region between higher cutoff and lower cutoff frequency is low. Okay, If that in between higher cutoff and lower cutoff frequency is very high, that is nothing but wideband bandwidth. So there are different types of classifications. So this is the first one is according to output signal, frequency range, biasing of the signal, number of stages, coupling schemes, mode of operations and bandwidth. So these are the topics belongs to classifications of multi-stage amplifier. Okay, thank you.